What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. We're down here. We finally made it to Bradenton. What a long ride. It was like 12 hours long. So it is race day. It's Monday. We're early. We're fixing to go in the track now. There's a few people going in there. We've got a lot of stuff to finish up on the car. So this video, you're going to see us getting the car ready. We got a lot of Christmas swag. Eric posted that they're going to do the Grinchiest car, and then they're also going to do the most Christmas spirit. So we're going to see if we can get, we're probably not going to get either one of those. We're going to be like right there in the middle, so we're not going to get either one, but we're going to have some cool stuff on it. This is going to be really exciting. I'm super excited to be here. I haven't been to Bradenton Motorsports parking forever. The facility looks awesome. Looks like it's gonna be a fun. This is the gate that you do not go into. This is down to the Freedom Factory. He's always posting, you know, it's not open to the public. So we're going over here to the drag strip today, and we'll see him later on. Hopefully we're gonna have a good time. It's gonna be a blast. All right, guys, check it out. This is going to be the video getting the car ready to Christmas tree drag race. All right, later. Okay, guys, so we're getting this thing ready for the more prep. They're out there now. They are working on the track. So here we go. See, we got all this weight in the back. We're gonna take all this weight off. That's actually a 1-inch bar that I welded straight to the tube, and the inner goes all the way through. It's double welded on there. It's pretty difficult to get them off. So we're fixing to take 125 pounds out of the back, if possible. Maybe welded to it. So there we go. So the other thing we got to do is get this thing, all the rest of the lights on it. So everybody else, I think, is going to have their tree pretty streamlined. But you can see this thing is pretty floppy. So I think when we get at some speed, I mean, this thing is going to lay down. So I think we're going to be okay with the aerodynamics. So we're not going to mess with it. I might trim a couple of those big branches, but I don't know if we're going to or not. That's just going to be the aerodynamics. And you see, we used 110, so we've got an inverter in there. We got to get power, and the inverter is going to charge our lights. So this is going to be fun. I don't know if we're going to get the most Christmas spirit, but we're definitely not going to get the Grinch. I think the Grinch so far is either going to be Cooper or James, which James he did take the tree out of the box. He had posted a picture with it in the box. But Cooper, he vacuum packed his tree, and so depending on if he does anything else, I mean, he may for sure be the Grinch. All right, here we go. Let's decorate this thing. Okay, guys, so we're in the process of decorating. So first thing we gotta do is gotta get it power. So we got some jumper cables here. Jumper cables going from the back to the front. We got our nice 1,000-watt inverter. This is going to be like Chevy Chase and Christmas. What's the name of that movie?
Christmas Vacation.
This is going to be like the Christmas Vacation with Chevy Chase. We're going to be pushing buttons, and we got quite a few lights to put on here. I don't know if we're going to have as many as some of the other cars though. So I don't know. We'll see. We're having fun. And yes, I did dent the roof, but it's a good thing it's a beater. It's kind of hard to see it, but the roof is caved in and dented from where the tree is pulled so tight.
I don't think it creased it though. I think we're good.
It might not have creased it, but you can see what I did is I choked it on here and up there, and this thing is rock solid. I mean, it is not moving at all. So this is definitely gonna be fun. Okay, guys, we are getting some swag up in here. So Brooke ended up not coming. Brooke was the only woman that was coming. She was coming with Zach, but she ended up not coming to the track. So we were hoping we were going to have a woman touch this. I mean, not being sexist or genderist, however you want to call it, but usually women decorate better. But we got a bunch of men out here decorating. So we're out here, and it's actually turning out pretty good, I think. I mean, it's just one of those things. Anthony, CJ, Zach, and Brandon are over here. I don't know if most of this stuff is going to stay on the car. We've got the bells are ringing.
Everything on the outside will stay on. The stuff on the inside's coming out.
Only it does get a little wind. But this is crazy. This is going to be insane. Okay, so the car is mostly decorated here. We got lights all over this thing. We got some nice garland on the inside, all across. Can't really see it. Nice little touch distributor they found from somewhere. I don't know if this garland stuff is going to stay on. It may or may not. We got the silver bells in the under the bottom there. Bells are ringing. This is going to be awesome. But we got a little bit of an issue. Cranked the car up to warm it up. So we just come from North Carolina. It was really, really cold. The pump was really cold, and it was leaking a little bit. So we're fixing to see if we can either replace the seal. I've got a spare seal, or maybe just try to warm this one up, or put some brake fluid on it, try to get the seal to grow a little bit. I probably need to get a couple extra seals just to have, but we're gonna make it work. Feel how cold that pump is, Zach?
Yeah.
I mean, it's cold. So I think it's just the rubber is cold and hard right now because it's cold. Well, it's not really cold. I mean, here, but the car is not cold.
70 degrees.
It's beautiful out here. My toes are starting to get a little bit cool. So I might have to put on my regular shoes here in just a
We
moment.
got to find you some lotion for the toes.
What's the matter with my toes? You want me to rub my toes on your legs, Zach? Here, yeah. Let me hold the pump.
You're gonna be like Bernie Mac. You'll be like, you gotta put your hands in bags with lotion, your toes in bags with lotion on them.
All right, we're working on it.
This kind of looks like the only way it could go. So.
That comes loose. There's the seal right there. Just push it in there.
You want to tap it off?
No, it's
Oh yeah.
pushed all the way in there. So we just put a new seal in there. So now let's reassemble this.
We didn't fix anything.
We made it worse. A lot of parts.
Yeah, mechanical pumps are just like, you're like, is that a corn grinder?
I know, right? Pump brake. Yeah.
Some residual methanol.
So that's good. So we got to put this O-ring back on, or snap ring. That's good. Yeah, let's put some silicone on it. Okay. All right. Push the button one time and then pulse 3 times. And then if you hold it, it'll be a very real slow. But it's awesome. I mean, it freaking works.
So the one that I have, you can either hold it and it'll go real slow, or you can click it and it'll kind of just.
So it's one per click.
Yeah.
Right.
Or
Gotcha.
you can
Gotcha.
just hold it
And it'll smoothly. Right. Yeah.
And I haven't messed with it enough to really know what I like yet.
Right, because I cleaned this out.
Oh yeah, heck yeah.
Luckily,
Fucker's
Brandon
great.
just got us this funnel. Whose is this?
John Duck.
Oh. Wow, all that was in the.
That was in your tank. Because I cleaned this. Tank's been a little dirty.
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm in your way there.
Give it back like you got it.
Just keep training. Keep training. Once it cranks, go ahead. Go ahead. Hold on. Go ahead. All right, Zach did all the hard work on that one. He was killing it. So I think we're good to go. We are non-leaking at the moment. We had an extra seal. We put it in brake clean, got it all nice and expanded. Because I don't know if it was an old one or if it was a new one. It was not as hard as the old one that we took out. So I put a new seal in. So we need some new seals. But I think it's going to be okay. All right, guys, y'all comment, like, and subscribe. That's going to do it for the video today. And so the next video y'all see will be us actually racing, we think. As long as that fuel pump doesn't start leaking again. But I think we're good to go. All right, here we go.
live by yourself here.